It's a great day at Western GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali Duramax 3-liter turbo diesel. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Denali. The driver's door has power locks, power windows, with 2 auto express windows, power adjustable and power folding side mirrors, a child lock button, a programmable memory seat, and the premium Bose sound system. To the left of the steering wheel, we have the heads-up display button, trailer mode, 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, and the lighting controls. This is our power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, a leather interior, Denali embroidering in both headrests, and a power sunroof up above. Next, I'm going to climb in and we'll take a look at the leather wrapped heated steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons with forward collision alert and the heated steering wheel button. The right side has our audio buttons. Here we have the driver information center. We're able to scroll through that dash by using the arrow buttons on the steering wheel. Up above, the programmable garage door opener, power sunroof buttons, rear window slider, and OnStar. This is GMC's rear view mirror camera. We're able to change that back to normal by flicking the switch at the bottom. And here we have GMC's Infotainment Center, equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also equipped with navigation. And it doubles as our backup camera. We're able to change the camera view by pushing those buttons at the bottom of the screen. We've also got a bed view camera there. Dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated and cooled front leather seats, lane departure alert, park assist, auto stop start, the tailgate release, hazard lights, traction control, hill descent control, the power retractable running boards button, the trailer brake, and some USB ports and power plug-ins. To the far left is our engine push start button. And here we have the wireless charging pad. Place your phone on the charging pad and it will charge your phone for you. At the front of the Denali, we've got that unique Denali grille. Embedded in the grille is our front camera, LED headlamps, fog lights, chrome tow hooks, 22-inch polished aluminum wheels, a 3-liter Duramax turbo diesel engine under the hood. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert, as well as the turn signal indicator, rear tinted windows, remote start, the trailering package, power retractable running boards. The door handles have keyless entry, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors, the rear window slider, and the corner step bumper. Those corner steps are located on either side of the bumper for quick and easy access to the box of the truck. Dual exhaust. This truck also has GM's easy lift and lower tailgate. I'm going to use the key fob here, push that button twice to drop our tailgate down. It's also got the multi-pro tailgate step, so by pushing 2 additional buttons, we drop that tailgate step down. The box of the truck has a spray-in box liner, cargo hooks, a power plug-in, and box lighting. Next, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger truck. You'll notice there's lots of head and leg room for those passengers riding in the back. The passenger door has power windows, door storage, and a rear speaker. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets. The back of our center console has 2 cup holders, heated rear seats, some USB ports, and power plug-ins. The middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest. We've also got behind the seat storage located behind either of the rear seats, as well as some under seat storage by simply lifting those rear seats up. So come take a look at the 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali Duramax 3-liter turbo diesel today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at WesternGMCBuick.com.